For the backend, this project uses Laravel. First, let's set up the composer. Visit their website. I'll provide a link in the description. Let's open our command prompt. Ensure that you have already installed PHP on your local machine. If not, download XAMPP if you are using Windows. Download Composer. Download and run Composer Setup. Install for all users. Next. 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 Install. Next. Finish. After installing Composer, restart your terminal. It has now been successfully installed. Now run Composer install in your project. Let's fix this problem. To resolve this issue, run this command. Thanks for watching.